in the afternoon. Yeah, we got cloud activity here. Looking at east side, looking towards the Edwards Air Force Base and turning southward at this point. But that is a lot of energy. I gotta be careful what the hell I'm walking on. Good Lord, she's huge. She's huge. And she's merging. She's got a lot of energy. Sorry. Had to get people out of the shot there. But this, if that wasn't bad enough, and I gotta walk through a maze here, so sorry about the jerkiness of the camera here. Now I know we got aircraft in the area. When they're hitting the sonic booms, I'll hear them. I could have sworn I also heard thunder in the background. I wanted to get another angle on this monster. Who says weather isn't fun? You gotta find the fun in the chaos of it all. Until it starts thundering and lightning on your ass. We're here at Roseman and United. You notice the wind's kind of picking up. Not as much, but it's getting there. Trees in the background are showing about 10, maybe 15. Here we go. Come on, United, move. Yeah, we got gusts. We got gusts. Okay. Time to call this one a quit.